In this video, we are going to talk about landing pages for wellness and supplement DTC brands that are running paid traffic and trying to acquire new customers and sell to repeated customers at scale. So we see a lot of brands out there selling, spending tens of thousands per month on Facebook, Google, TikTok ads, and they're sending this traffic to product pages, category pages, or even the home page or even other pages, and not having a strong landing page, especially for cold campaigns that are bringing new traffic that are going to become, this traffic is going to become new customers. So having landing pages help you more efficiently convert that traffic, and that's what I'm going to talk about here. I'm going to show you lots of examples of great landing pages, and at the end of the video I'm going to give the file to you so you can look at the pages and implement and basically copy and paste the strategies that these leading brands are using. I'm Paulo Galeri, the founder of Leadways, where we help leading supplement and wellness brands grow with Google Ads, improve their Google Ads and YouTube Ads results for new customer acquisition, and as a result, they grow revenue and they scale much further. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into the landing pages. So here we have a file with pages not only from our clients, but other brands that are spending a lot of money on these specific pages, so we know they work extremely well. So I'll give you an example, starting here with a brand that I think it's very, very, very relevant when it comes to paid advertising. They're growing a lot, which is Snap Supplements. They were actually a client of ours years ago, and now they have an internal team that's handling their ads in-house, which is great for them. So here is an example of a page which I believe we can extract a lot from this page, especially for new customer acquisition. When it comes to new customer acquisition, it's very important that we have a page that's a little bit more friendly and a page that introduces the product a little bit better than a standard product page with just description, price, and some reviews. So analyzing the page here, you see that the core headline here, it's kind of a landing page style with the title. You see that it clearly states the problem and how it's solved, how they solve the problem in one simple headline. In one simple headline, then they have the description, and then try risk-free. You have some social proof. Then this section is, I see a lot of brands. I was just auditing one of our clients' landing page, and that's what they were missing. They were going from the hero section straight to the ingredients section here, and then showing each ingredient and a long text for each of the ingredients, which is not something that someone new wants to see, is not something that someone that doesn't know about your brand yet wants to see once they land on your page. So they did it very well here, where they're explaining the benefit. And with any type of conversion page that you create, not only for a brand, but also an info product, but also any sort of page, the first thing you need to show them is the benefit, what they are getting, why should they buy, what are the benefits I'm getting by using this product, not ingredients, not anything else. So why beets deserve a spot in your diet? Great headline, and then they go ahead to demonstrate with images and text each benefit. So supports healthy blood pressure, great, and then they explain, they give more context. Is not just text. Enhances daily detox, boosts energy levels, boosts immune system, fights inflammation, and then they go ahead and add UGCs, which is another section which I strongly recommend you add to your landing pages. They have a UGC section with customers talking about the product. They have a caption, so it's easier to read, and then they have a lot of social proof by adding this number here on the bottom, which is something that you should consider as well. FAQ, and then try now risk-free. So that's a great page for top of funnel. Now, one thing you can also do to boost first-time customer acquisition, to decrease CPA and acquire customers and put them into a subscription is, for example, what we have here for their liver detox, liver health and detox. They have the try now risk-free, and then again a great landing page, very well optimized with the benefits, and then the ingredients demonstrated very clearly. And then they have something like this, which is which the bundle and save going straight to a subscription is what I'm personally seeing most of our highest performing clients using. Everyone's going for a subscription model. It's a much better financial model for your DTC brand, and everyone is going for higher AOVs with bundles. So give them clearly the best option here, from 109 to 57, 67 actually, and free shipping, and get them straight to a subscription. So subscribe and save for 17, or one-time purchase for 84. So it's a fantastic deal that they are getting. And that helps a lot, cutting the CPA for paid ads and getting them to a subscription. So your lifetime value is there. It's very predictable. Another good example is 7 Nutrition. They have a VSL with the offer. So they are explaining about the product and they are giving a special offer. Same approach, as you can see, get them here, get them to a subscription. As you can see, even huge brands like Onnit have this same approach, and then you can personalize the bundle. When we think about optimization, we also have some examples for skincare here, for example, and they will have the same kind of approach. Some of them differ a little bit, but they have also the packs, they have the bundle options. So this document has a lot of relevant information that you can simply extract and use. Looking at this landing page will help you structure your top of funnel landing page strategy, and I can tell you it's very, very, very important to have that set up. So if you are a supplement founder, if you run a supplement or wellness DTC brand on Shopify or Ecommerce or any other platform, and you are looking to improve your results on Google and YouTube ads, you can directly book a call with me on the description section, and I will take a call with you for us to go over your results, your strategies, and how we can further cut CPA and increase your ad spend profitably. Now, if you want this document, simply comment down below landing pages and I will send you the link so you can take a look. You can open each of them and have your team create one just like this. So that's pretty much it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.